What's up, what's up, what's up? That's right. Live trading Asia session. Heck yeah. I am in a trade right now. You know what we should do? We need to mark out some levels and pick some biases. So that's what we can do this fine evening. Yes, I am in a trade as we speak. It's probably gonna last a really long time though. Gotta go to bed with it on. It is this. Why is that not? This is the trade. What is happening? I hate the red and green. I do not use red and green. That's not my vibe. Hey, that needs to be lined up to the wick. Top step must have reset my things. But we're in this trade here. We're gonna ride it to all-time highs. All-time highs might hit tonight, might hit tomorrow morning. We'll see, but pretty confident about this one. I don't think we have any news tomorrow. Forex Factory. Let's see. I don't think there's anything exciting coming up tomorrow, at least. No. Actually, yes. But I think it's... Yeah, I don't think these will come out, will they? Oh wait, University of Michigan. Isn't that? So yeah, this will probably come out. This will probably actually be a legit news release. Because that's not the government, that's the university. Consumer sentiment. I don't understand why this means anything though, because even Powell said consumer sentiment doesn't matter because they'll buy anyways. He literally said in one of his FOMC press conferences, like, sure, consumer sentiment is down, but they're still gonna go buy a new car tomorrow. They may be pessimistic about the economy, but they're gonna go buy anyway, so. It's so funny. He's awesome. Alright, let's see what the charts are reading. So NQ, obviously targeting all-time highs. I'm in this trade right here. I think it's gonna hit. I'm pretty optimistic that it will. Hence why I'm in a trade. ES, same bias, but we're definitely lagging. This daily is disgusting though. I'm not a fan of how this looks. This is not interesting. This is not interesting either. Yeah. See, that's how I was like as well. Because I would have like the daily bias of like, oh, like I think it's gonna hit this level. And then I would go to sleep and wake up and it already hit. And I'm like, well, I mean, I was right, but for what? So that's why recently I've just thrown a lot of that out the window and said I'm just gonna trade literally all day. So I kind of watch every 4-hour close, except for like the 2 a.m. and the 6 a.m. candle. Maybe I'll start waking up at 6 and start watching that candle too, though. Maybe I'll just go all out and say, you know what, 24-hour a day trader at this point. But yeah, I think you're right. I am bullish. I think we're gonna see these taken. I don't know about YM though. I mean, technically speaking, the target of the day using just the pattern would be down here, but I don't know if that'll happen or not. I'm not placing any money on that. Gold. Gold's just been a bull run. Like, this is a really good example of kind of ignoring the pattern. Because, like, anytime you see a candle like this, or like this, or like this, you should target the wick. Wick here, but none of those three have even hit. Like, not a single one of these wicks has been swept. So it's likely wiser to say I'm actually bullish on gold because we got this retracement, and once we get this little one-day retracement here, we kind of go back up. This is what you would typically look like, but look how frequently we're just ignoring that. Because gold's just been on a rocket ship to the moon lately. So I'm just kind of permanently bullish for the time being on gold because gold seems to not care about going down, just up. The 4 hour is kind of bullish, but probably not going to take any trades tonight. I mean, even if we got a nice close, this is such a strong dip down. Too aggressive for me to make any plays. Silver. Silver might be interesting, but it's less bullish than gold, so maybe not. Platinum. Yeah, I'm it's so hard to read these. It's really hard to read these. Maybe I'll just chill on that. Copper. I took a trade on copper. It did not play out the way I hoped at all. Here's the trade I took on copper. L trade today. I saw this wick. It's like, sweet, going back up. Just kidding. Not happening. So, lost that trade. We are actively in longs on NQ though. We'll see what happens. For your sake, Garcia, I hope it doesn't hit yet. I hope it does hit, but not until New York Session Open. Just for you, man. We'll see though, because you'll probably be able to catch something on ES, because ES is lagging. That's if we don't hit in turn though. But ES is slow to the party. Silver. Thanks, my man. Of course. Platinum. I kind of just dull. Really. Copper. I'm not sure about copper. I've been trading copper recently. I don't hate it. I've gotten some nice wins with copper. Water break. What do you trade, Garcia? Do you trade futures, and if so, which futures? Oil. Oil's been... I could be bearish on oil. Yeah, I'll be bearish on oil. Because that... Yeah. I'll look for shorts here, and I wouldn't be opposed to taking shorts. If we get a good, like, bear close on this in an hour and 6 minutes, I could take shorts. All the indices... Gold, oil, and some Forex. Okay, perfect. So, GXT, sweet, same. I'm bearish on oil. Yeah, have you gotten any payouts? If we get something interesting, I would be interested on shorting oil. Should we get anything interesting? Which I feel like is a lot to ask. Because it's been a little been a little challenging. Man. There we go. Maybe NQ will hit it before I sleep. We'll see though. But what did I say I was gonna look to trade or maybe trade? Was it gold? No. I think it was. This is kind of interesting. I'm not a big fan of shorting the metals, but I mean, setup's a setup, right? But just looking at this. I mean, I don't know if we're actually going to sweep anything here, if we're just going to climb higher. This is clearly bullish. Yeah, based on the daily closures after we tap the order block, one to be bullish shot them highs. On NQ or oil? Oil, I think, is bearish. But if you're talking the big indices, NQ, yes, YM, or at least NQ and yes, I would agree. But YM has been like, it's been its middle child self doing its own thing in the corner. Like, all right, YM, you do you, right? Fooling about in the corner. Because I don't know what the heck this is. Actually, I could actually really see it. I won't long it because I'm already in. Okay. I won't long it because I'm already in NQ longs. And I won't be in this, like, more than one of the three at once. But this does look kind of good for longs. We got this C2 closure right here. After sweeping these lows, I could see this happening. Probably not in one day. We're probably not going to see a 1.5%, but who knows? If we're getting news tomorrow and we're actually going to get this news since it's not government news, maybe it'll be like the market's been desperate for any news and it'll bring a punch of volatility. Copying accounts. Garcia, you're the first to know this now. I am done posting my trades on X. I said it. I'm gonna post about it tomorrow. But just not good. That's gonna be the post. Actually, I'm done posting my trades on X. Just not good. End post. I'm still gonna be on X doing all my stuff on there and whatever, and probably posting occasional P&L calendars, but posting all my trades has just been an overwhelming negative to me as a trader, because it's so much pressure placed on me, and I don't know. I don't really gain anything from it. I posted a video the other day, and the one comment I got essentially proved it like that. I made this whole 13-minute video, and the top comment was, it would be great if you stopped buying the top and selling the bottom, late entry. He said, come on, don't be late. If you had watched the video, you would know that it's exactly why I'm not posting my trades anymore. Just because it's like, there's so many of these voices. It's too much. It's too much. Too many voices, too much noise, and becoming profitable for me is hard enough. And so I'm gonna post things, and I'm still gonna be transparent. Like, if I blow an account, I'll be like, hey, I just blew an account. If I passed an account, I'll be like, hey, guess what? I just passed an account. Check it out. And I'll probably post trades from time to time, but it won't be like the typical calendar. Today I'm day trading and this is what I'm gonna do today, like the typical calendar thing that I've been doing. It's a lot of pressure and hasn't helped overall. Stay down till you're up. Exactly. I mean, it worked for the time that I did it. Like, I did it because I actually got payouts. Like, I got 6 payouts a year ago. And I was like, sweet. Like, I'm locked in. I've got this. I'm going to start posting everything. And then it all kind of, like, hit the fan and was like, dang, I just completely lost it. When I started posting. You withdraw monthly? How much are you making a month? Pulling in some big numbers? Yeah. But it's time for me to stop posting and get my own stuff together, lock in, so I don't have to keep clocking in. Hourly close, there it is, little baby doji, little shooting star, little meaningless, pointless candle. 5 to 6K? Come on, dude, let's go, come on. No way, dude, that's sweet. Dude, that's awesome, man. That's so much money. How long have you been trading? $5 to $6K? Do I follow you? Marky Garcia. Hey, Sprouticus, what's up? I gotta find your account now. Marky Garcia. Marky Garcia. Here it is. 1 follower. Is this you? Did I just follow? I don't know if this is you or not. Yeah, is this actually yeah, I was about to say. Marco Garcia. Okay, gotcha. Marco Garcia. I was about to say the Ducks from 2013. I don't know about that one either. Marco Garcia. Marco Garcia. Am I going crazy? Are you messing with me, man? What's your username? You fooling around? With the crown? What do you mean? Drop your @ here. I'm gonna copy and paste it and try it again. Oh, with a 9? What are you talking about? Oh, Marky Garcia 9. Man. Oh, okay, yeah. Gotcha, okay. Yeah, I already follow you. Okay, cool. 1 of 1. Did you trade with 1 of 1 funding? Dude, I think I remember you from like way back. Did you used to trade with 1 of 1 funding? Yeah, I remember you. I don't know where, but I do. I know I do. Maybe it's from Discord. I'm like never on Discord anymore. You're just the only son? Man, what have we got going on over here? Come on, lock in. Yeah, I remember you. You're a familiar username. Marco with the crown. Again? Oh my gosh. Again, dude. Again. Oh no. Okay, we got confirmed withdrawal. 3,500. 3,500. 2,000. 3,800. You know what's up. 3,800. 2010. Dude, congratulations, man. That's so hype. That is a lot of money, dude. That's where I need to get. That's where I'm gonna stop. Watch. I'm gonna stop posting my trades, and in a month, I'm gonna pull a 10K month. I've decided. We're copying the accounts now. I've got accounts copied, and it's time. It's time to get rich. Maybe. We'll see about that one. Let's see if this one hits. I think it will. I'm optimistic. Little baby trades, negative RR trades. That's what all this has been. All the shenanigans, all the trading I've been doing is negative risk to rewards. You believe in me, homie? Thank you. I believe in you because I just saw you winning like crazy. So I believe you're going to keep winning. Here's the full one. The account I started last week. Really going at it. Now, I made a ton of mistakes. Are you still in the lens? I am still in the lens. I haven't been in there in a while, though. Like, I just spend a lot of time on Twitter. Yeah. And I work full-time right now. So I'm busy. I'm spread thin. Going to the gym. Going to work. I have excuse my language, but I have a job. Sorry. But I am spread thin in doing all of that. Trying to get jacked and get rich and do engineering school. And we're doing it all. We're gonna kill all of it. Heck yeah. 20K a month? Dude, that'd be crazy. 20K. I assume at this point for you, your mission is now just to scale. Like, your main goal at this point is like, keep it under control and scale. Dude, 29K in payouts, 5K a month. I work 40 hours a week and I make like 4K a month. I mean, if you're doing 5 to 6K with only 5 funded accounts, you're in amazing shape, all things considered. Like, you could just scale up so fast and easily be pulling 50K months with your trading performance. A friend of mine is trying to pull 100K a week now. He's insane, absolutely insane. Do you know Sattar? Sattar? Gotta control your emotions someday. Dude, but I think, personally, I think you might have what I would call the hard part down. I'll show you who the one guy is, Sattar. He's kind of like, I mean, some of the best traders don't post online because for them, they don't need to sell a course. They're just that good at trading. And this guy is definitely one of those guys. Uh, we were friends from a prop firm that shut down. Yeah, he's got 3.4 million in funding now. Bro is insane. He's 19 years old. Like, he's just ridiculous. He just goes crazy all the time. He makes a lot of money. He hit his first 10K month in like February, and then his first six-figure month a couple months ago. So like within 6 months, he went from a 10K to a 100K. Ridiculous. But he makes some noise, but he doesn't post too much just because, I mean, at his level, I mean, there's kind of no point. He's already rich from trading. He's killing it. He is out here killing it. Yeah, he's only 19. Yeah, that's how I am. I'm like, dude, because we'll message and he's like, dude, you need to lock in. And I'm like, dude, you started when you were like 16 years old. I started when you were now getting six-figure payouts. You got a massive head start. Massive head start. No wick? There's no way we have no wick on the daily. Little nub candle. Yeah, I started at 18 and he was getting payouts. Garrett's a good guy. Garrett's a really good guy. And what a trader he is too. He just wins non-stop. Non-stop winning from Garrett. It's cool to see. What a messy week this has been. Hopefully we get a little bit more like, I don't know, good price action next week. Gold, bullish on gold. Same with silver, platinum. Did I say? Yeah, it was copper that I was thinking about shorts. I don't know. I mean, you could frame shorts on copper, but it's against the high time frame trend, and I don't love that. But I mean, it would be valid too, so it's a tough choice. Yeah, so my approach for the fractal model is pretty basic. I've got it all on the left. Now I made a little indicator to just kind of have it all on the left. But I start on the daily, like what you just saw me doing. And it's based off of the daily closure. So, you know, like the CISD daily closure thing. CISD daily closure, daily bias. Maybe we can find it from Mr. T Trades. But you know how the model works, the fractal model, and how you determine a C2, and once you see the C2, you say it's going the other way, and that's the reversal. That's what it is. Yep, right here. That's just a blurry image, but it's just this. When you see the close above, your daily bias is bullish. So like, if this was the candle that closed yesterday at here, I would say it's going up here. If we reverse, I think it's going lower. If we're consolidating, you kind of like wait for it to take something out. And then if it closes below, you say it's lower. Once I do that, then I just start looking for the 4 hour to align. So that's what we got on here earlier, was we got this 4-hour closure up here, and I just entered straight off that 4-hour closure. Like, that was literally it with this. I saw that we made this candle close above here, so this is the C3, so I entered on the C4, targeting all-time highs, and that's literally it. Like, this was just a super basic daily bias is bullish, 4-hour made a C2, and it's in line with the daily bias. We're shooting for all-time highs. Yep, you're on the same way too. I always use the weekly profile daily levels and Facebook price for daily levels. Yeah. Yep. And I just basically added a ton of assets so I can take more trades, because only trading NQ was pretty limited. So I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna load up and I trade everything: NQ, ESYM, gold, silver, platinum, copper, oil, gas. I'll trade any of those. I'm kind of tempted on this copper one, though. What do you think? Because technically, this is a bearish daily bias. Am I close to passing my evals? I actually passed one Sunday night, and then I blew it Tuesday night. Listen, it's a learning process, right? These are getting close. Not really. I mean, they're not in drawdown, so there's that. That's 1,000. This one. This is one I just. This is the one I've been posting for like a month. And then this one. I didn't full port. I'm just risking $500 a trade, and then I lost 4 trades in a row, and that was it. So. I mean, I was over trading. Definitely over trading. Let me pull up my journal. Here's my journal. I've been going crazy on the journal. I blew it here. Yeah, I literally just lost like, okay, 5 trades in a row. I couldn't take this one, but I lost the other 4. Yeah, I lost these. And that was all it took. But like, this was over trading. I didn't follow my rules on this one. And, I mean, it was just choppy on the daily as well. This wasn't really trending. This was a trade I shouldn't have took. Like, I was really antsy to trade because I had literally passed an eval in, like, 2 days. I was like, oh my gosh, I'm about to get rich. You know how it is. You're like, oh my gosh, it's time to get rich. And I just started over trading. I mean, I took, what, 7 trades in a day? Like, shouldn't do that. Shouldn't take 7 trades in a day, just by the way. Not good. Not a good idea. But that blew it. And then I bought an account the next day. And it's been going better. Were they good trades you liked at least? No. Not all of them. I've been so strict for so many months on my trading, where I'm only going to take 1 to 3 trades a week, and they're going to be perfect, that since throwing all my rules out, I've kind of like actually struggled a little bit with psychological discipline to stay on track. I've kind of just gone wild, like, give a kid a candy bowl and say he can only have 1 piece every other day, and then you do that and you're sitting there and watching him there, and you punish him if he takes a piece for a year, and then finally you walk away and you leave all the candy in front of him and the kid just goes crazy, that's been me. I've said to myself, okay, I can do whatever I want now, and I've just gone crazy with it. And I've been punished severely and learned a lot in the process too, so hopefully, because like there's been crazy streaks. I had a 7 trade win streak, or 6. I haven't had a 6 trade win streak in I don't know how long. That's crazy for me. And that's definitely caught my attention, like, hey, if I can stick to my guns here, like, this could be legit. But need to stop all this over trading and the greed and yeah. And then we'll see what happens. How's our NQ trade doing? Hey. Wait for Garcia. Wait for Garcia. The copper trade is interesting, but I shouldn't take it. I really want to, but I know I shouldn't. So I won't take the copper trade. This would be nice if it hits. Alright, it's kind of late and I feel really tired. I hit the gym today like I did yesterday and the day before and the day before that, and like I will again tomorrow. This is the phase of stacking wins. This is the phase of life's hard, gotta stack wins. It's all good, man. I know what you are doing. I know you know what you're doing, and you're close to success. The hard work will pay off, my guy. Thank you, man. I appreciate that. How long have you been trading? How long have you been at the grind? Because, dude, like, that's... Okay, wow. It's like 2 years? Then I'm due for a win. I'm due for winning, because I hit 2 years ago, or I hit 2 years this summer. I'm due. It's time to win. I love this picture, by the way. That's really funny. I'm due. Should've last year. You've been doing this for a year and you've already made 29 racks. Oh my gosh. Dude, way to go, man. You devoted every day to this. Wow, dude. That's really impressive. Congratulations. That's a huge accomplishment. I hope you're proud. You should be. Wow. To be a year in and be making this much. Wow, dude. Congratulations. That's hype. Hype. Alright. I'm gonna hop off though, because I gotta do something. Oh yeah, I gotta make a little reel. I gotta go journal, read my Bible. I gotta sleep. That's important to trade well. And I think that's it. Can you tell my brain is slowing down? It's slowing down. It's ready for it's bedtime. Sleepy time. Eyesight's getting blurry. Ready for bed. Well, Garcia, it was really nice talking to you, man. It's awesome to hear how well you're doing. That is super exciting. Super exciting, dude. And I'm gonna hop off. So, have a good night. I hope NQ waits for you too, man. We'll hit TPs in the morning. Never give up. Of course not. We'll keep going. We keep swimming. You know how it is. Alright, good night, man.